This is Revov Tray Box, the most effortless organizer for your everyday carry objects. From your keys, wallet, watches, earphones, it allows you to slide open and reach in the stuff you need in one motion, so you can head out with style and at ease. Minimize the contact, it feels like the upper part is floating, which makes Revov Tray Box not only practical, fun, and a little bit addicting. Revov Tray Box. Hope you like it.
Levels of stress and anxiety have been continuously increasing, and they have been holding on to this without a way of unburdening themselves. Introducing Fidget Ball. Fidget Ball is a fun gadget that helps relieve stress, feelings of anxiety, and can also be used as a massage device. After studying how people were relieving their stress, we discovered that the answer for many was to listen to addictive sounds that would leave them feeling satisfied. This addictive sound was found to help reduce high levels of stress and anxiety. Fidget Ball is the best way to relax and kick back. Fidget Ball is not simply a toy, but a gadget that can help enhance concentration levels. Simple and repetitive movements slowly increase your concentration. The protruding edges on the surface of Fidget Ball were designed for massaging purposes. Small in size and lightweight, it is good for massaging the hand, arm, shoulder, and neck. These edges also stimulate pressure points on the body, which helps to increase blood circulation. An increase in blood circulation can help to relieve fatigue. Fidget Ball can be enjoyed by all. Fidget Ball is highly recommended for those who receive stress and feelings of anxiety on a daily basis. Fun to play, addictive sound, enhance concentration, massages stress and anxiety, massage function, increase blood circulation, fatigue recovery. Eliminate stress from your daily life with addictive sounds and fun. Fidget Ball, buy all button.
Imagine if you could drink seawater. Quenchsea is primarily developed to help make an impact on the lives of people with no access to clean water. We are trying to reach economies of scale to reduce the costs to donate and distribute 100 million Quenchsea units by 2027. Quenchsea is a groundbreaking, low-cost, portable, manually powered device that instantly turns seawater into drinkable fresh water. Quenchsea is a revolutionary technology that combines a unique hydraulic system, triple pre-filtration, and a small reverse osmosis membrane to turn seawater into fresh water. Be prepared for any emergency. At sea or on the coast, convert seawater into clean, fresh drinking water instantly. Quenchsea can be a vital lifeline, offering emergency access to clean water in the worst-case scenario. Only manual operation is needed to produce above 2 liters of fresh drinking water in an hour. We are a team gathered from all corners of the world with diverse backgrounds and experiences, with one mission in mind: to make a global impact, to change the status quo, to help solve one of the biggest challenges of our time: access to clean, fresh water. We pledge to impact 1 billion people by 2027. Buy, donate, or support. Join the pledge.